What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today I want to show you exactly how to download songs from your computer and import them into your CIC iDrive system. So then, the CIC iDrive system was introduced in late 2008, and I'm pretty sure it faded out around 2014-2015, where it was replaced with the MBT iDrive system. So if you have a BMW 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, X1, X3, X5, and there's probably more as well, but if you have a car with the iDrive in between 2008 and 2014-15, then there's a good chance you may have the CIC iDrive. I'll just go ahead and show you what it looks like real quick. So just put the ignition on. So this is the screen loading up, and this is the main menu that you are greeted with. But today I want to show you how to download songs on your computer and import them into the hard drive on the CIC system. So let's go ahead and get on the computer now. Okay then, guys, so here we are then over at the PC, and first of all I just want to show you how I actually download the music from the internet itself. So obviously just go to YouTube, find the song or songs that I want to download. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose some Stereophonics, and now what I'm going to do is just copy the link, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it into this little piece of software called Media Human. You just click paste link and then start download, and then that will download the song, and it will then place it in a nice and neat folder, and that is this folder just here. And as you can see, I have all my songs here, but I'm going to go ahead and download a couple more. So it's this one, just go into here, paste link, it's this one as well, copy, paste link, download, download. There we are, that's them downloaded. Close that off. So we have all of the music that we want on the hard drive, on the CIC hard drive. Everything we want is in this folder here. So what I'm going to do is, do we have? Yes, we have a USB drive already plugged in. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy all of this over. I'm sure there's an easy way to do that. Select, oh, I can't see that. Right, let's copy all this over into the USB drive. While that copies over, I'm just going to delete that folder. Oh, and by the way, I just wanted to point out as well, if you, for whatever reason, want to change the titles to any of these songs, it's a good idea to do them now before you go ahead and import them in the car. I don't think you can actually change the name of individual songs on the iDrive, so it helps if you just do it first on your computer, and then it you know, it'll look exactly how you want it to look when you're in the car. Okay then, so once that's done, we can unplug the USB and head over to the car. Okay then, so now that we are back in the car, all I'm going to do is put the key in. No need to switch the ignition on as long as the iDrive comes on. And then what you want to do is take a look in your glove box, and you should notice that there is a USB slot just there. It's not the USB slot in the armrest. Easy way to tell if you have the CIC iDrive, there should be one USB slot in the glove box and one in the armrest. The one that you need to use to import music is the one in the glove box. So we'll go ahead and plug that in like that. And then what you want to do is head over to CD/multimedia, and then music collection. And then what you want to do on the iDrive controller is press option, and then scroll down to music data import/export, and then you want to go onto import new music in brackets USB, and then it will start the import process. And there we go, import successful. So that means all of the music has been successfully imported. So okay, and now we can just go ahead, click USB 1, and as you can see, all of our music is nicely stored in this folder. And that's it. And obviously to access that from the main menu, again, you just go to CD/multimedia, music collection, and then your folder will be there. Now you can actually change the name of that folder, so you know, as standard it will just be USB 1, but if you just press option and then you go to rename album, and then from there you can of course change the name. So we'll change it to music. Let's change it to music. Let's see if I can spell. And there we go, job done. Okay then, so that is another job done. That is how you import your music onto your CIC iDrive. And as you saw, it's very, very easy to do. But like I said, if you have the previous generations of the iDrive, so the Mask 1, Mask 2 or CCC, you will not be able to do this. They do not have a built-in hard drive. So unfortunately, you will just be stuck with the CDs. The CIC iDrive is a great system. I absolutely love it, and there's probably a whole lot of other features that I still have not learned myself yet. But if this video has been somewhat helpful, please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace!